You can expect a lot from the 2018 Ford F-150. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the competition. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Stop in and take a test drive.